Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Describing the Ibrahim. You know that it is me, Ibrahim. Always try to learn English. That's the reason I record myself every day and I say something in English. So today I'm having my time with my nibblings. You know them because you have watched my videos, and if you don't watch my video, you don't know them. So they are my friends, I can say, because most of the time I pass with them. So now I am having my time with them and look my village, because you have watched this village my previous videos. And behind me that is, do you know what is the name of this tree? It is coconut tree, and there are bigger leaves. So I remember when I was a younger boy, I used to make hand wash with these leaves. That was amazing memories. So, Ikemoni, hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine.
Ishak, Ishak, look at the camera. Ishak, okay, Ishak is little. How are you? Ish- Okay, so I pass my time with them. I've said because I like them. That's the reason I come every day. I hang out with them, and I come this type of beautiful place to pass my time. So, my dear audience, if you want to improve your speaking English, try to record yourself daily.